Forget Grok AI because I've finally found the best free AI video generator that lets you create unlimited, high-quality AI videos for 100% free. Yes, 100% free. Now you don't need to pay for Grok AI anymore. You can create cinematic scenes, aesthetic shots, even videos with famous personalities, and the characters can speak real, natural dialogues, which makes everything feel much more realistic. But instead of just talking about it, have a look at these results and see the quality for yourself. All of these videos were created using a free AI tool called Wan AI. Just go to Google, search for Wan AI, click on the first link, and you'll land directly on the homepage. All right, let's get started. First, click on Sign Up. You can use your Google account or email. Once you're done, you'll land directly on the homepage. Now, as soon as you enter, claim your daily credits. These are what you'll use to generate your videos. Another interesting thing is that you can still create videos even without credits, but the process becomes much slower and takes a lot more time. So if you're okay with waiting, you can go for it. But if you want faster generation and smoother workflow, then keep watching till the end, because I'll share a simple trick that will help you generate videos much faster using credits. So let's create our first video. In the prompt box, make sure the video option is selected, and if you click on Generate, you'll notice a few useful options here. You'll find different video effects and starring options that can help to improve your final result. But for now, we're going to keep things simple and start from scratch, so simply type your prompt. If needed, you can even add frames, upload audio, or adjust things like camera movement, lighting, and lens style. Once everything looks good, just hit Generate. And our video will start generating. After a short wait, our video will be ready. And here we go. And honestly, just look at this, the quality, the smooth visuals, the background soundtrack, everything looks clean and professional. Now download the video. It will have a small watermark, but that's easy to fix. Just use any watermark remover like Easy Watermark Remover, upload your video, and you're good to go. Now, as you can see, our credits are finished, but no need to worry, because this is where the real trick comes in. Simply log out from your current account, go to any temp mail website, copy a new temporary email, and create another account. And just like that, we're back again with a fresh account and new credits. So let's generate another video. Again, we enter the new prompt, hit generate, and our second video started generating, and within a few moments, our second video is ready. And as you can see, the quality stays consistent, smooth visuals, great output, everything on point. So I repeated this process multiple times and created a few more videos, and here are the results. Just look at them. The visuals, the flow, the overall quality, it's honestly impressive for a free tool. And that's why this is worth trying. Finding a tool like this is rare, and it can seriously help you scale your content without spending anything. So go ahead, test it yourself, try different prompts, experiment with styles, and see what works best for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'll keep bringing more free AI tools like this for you. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care, and thanks for watching.